YouTube, this is Ganesh, and today I got some more fireworks. This whole bag of fireworks. So I will make its video by opening it and show it what all I got. I'm also opening it for the first time. So let's see. What all do we have in here? So it has been cut it off. So first we got green sparklers, 5 packets, number 10. Then we have this giant box of golden flower pots. Next we have another box. Next we have these Unique Express rockets. Next we have this giant colored sparklers. Next we have fountains or flower pots, different colors. Next we have more sparklers, blue colored. Next we have these two giant musical rockets, 2 boxes. So this all has come out till now. Next you have these 2 more boxes of flower pots. Let me shut the door. I've also got more fireworks, but I'll make other videos. Fireworks test part 2 and part 3. So this much we have gone through. Now more. We have got 3 sound rockets biodegradable. More Unique Expresses. Next we have more colored express. Next more rockets, whistling rockets. So much rockets, more whistling rockets. Next we have more sparklers, this colored sparklers, green, more colored sparklers. There's too much fireworks. Next you have bombs, loads of bombs. Next we have SKYSHOTS. There must be 5 of these. Next we have Chakkars, 5 boxes. And more we have in here. We have tricolor fountains, jumbo. Next we have hydro bombs, 5 boxes. Next we have more tricolor fountains and more tricolor fountains. A little sneak peek. So in this bore your racks there were these much fireworks, 5 boxes of chakkars, a whole bunch of firecrackers, SKYSHOTS, fountains, hydro bombs, and much missiles, color missiles, whistling missiles, more whistling missiles, musical missiles, more musical missiles, 3 sound rockets, Unique Express, more Unique Express. And then we had these flower pots, 3 boxes of these and 3 boxes of tricolor flower pots. We have sparklers, these are sparklers, these also sparklers, and 2 golden flower pots. Thank you for watching. Watch my other videos. Do subscribe. Thank you.